Does your iPhone battery drop from 50 to 10 in seconds? That sudden drain is frustrating, but here's how to fix it fast. Tap like and subscribe for more iPhone battery tips. Just check your battery health. Go to settings, then battery health and charging. If it's below 80% or says service recommended, your battery is likely worn out and needs replacing. Now try a full battery calibration. Use your phone until it dies on its own, then charge it all the way to 100% without using it. This can help reset the battery reading and fix sudden drops. Next, turn off background app activity. Go to settings, then general, then background, app refresh and turn it off. Also, close all apps running in the background. Reduce screen brightness and turn on low power mode under settings, then battery. This slows battery drain and helps stabilize battery readings. Finally, update your iPhone software. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Apple often fixes battery bugs with updates. If this helped stop your battery from suddenly dropping, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone fixes that work.